undertaker, let me take you for a spin. Yeah, I'm your friendly
Hello,
undertaker.
I'm Grant. Welcome to County Funerals. We post videos about the funeral industry, funeral related products, and today you're joining me for an unboxing of this lovely Somerset Willow coffin. Somerset Willow are a lovely company. They're based here in England. They grow all of their willow for their products here in England, and the coffins are manufactured here in England. See if we can unbox this to see how good it comes. As you can see, we have an outer layer of pallet wrap that protects the coffin, and we have on here the label, which you can see, which says, "This is a coffin, please deliver with dignity." So we don't want to go at this with a Stanley blade. We want to be nice and gentle. We're going to use our scissors as we're going to cut the pallet wrap off. Underneath the pallet wrap is some cardboard, so we're now going to cut the cardboard off. Again, we're going to use our scissors, cut the tape. We try and save as much of this cardboard as we can, because if we have to post the ashes out, or sometimes we have to post the urns out, this cardboard's really good for reusing as a packaging material. So we always keep it, and we try and keep it as nice as we can. Again, we're not using any knives, because we don't want to damage the beautiful coffin that's inside. Okay, so underneath that outer layer of cardboard, you can see some more packaging. So around every single edge on the corners, you can see this is a much high density cardboard, which is a lot thicker, a lot firmer. Then we have our traditional corrugated cardboard around the main body of the coffin, and down on this edge you'll see all the edge protectors. So again, we're not going to take it off with any blades. We're going to use our trusted scissors, and we're going to take all of this. And then we have our lovely golden wicker. Now, I might get the assistance of young Jeffrey to lift me up so we can get the bottom tray off. All right. Okay, and there you can see a beautiful golden wicker coffin. So these come in coffin shapes and oval shapes. The wicker for this coffin was grown in England on the Somerset Willow farm, and then it was manufactured in England by Somerset Willow, and then it was transported here. So this is a made in the UK, grown in the UK product. It's lovely, it's exceptional, and we're going to take the lid off now and have a look inside. So come a little closer. So as you can see, we have a pillow here. The pillow is made with natural fibres, natural cotton. The cotton on the inside has been like wax treated, hold a bit of moisture. You get a lovely little book for the family that gives you the full details of who made the coffin, where it was made and how the willow was sourced. It even tells you the name of the person that's made it, so that's lovely. So this particular coffin here was made by John. And there's full details of Somerset Willow there. And we're going to put a link in the description below. We get a lovely piece of cotton here as well. This is a shroud. This is over the top of the body when the body is placed in the coffin. And then if you look underneath, fully recyclable plastic, holding in moisture barriers. And then we have our rope handles that you can see. All lovely and natural. Okay, so with the wicker coffin, you don't nail down the lid, you don't screw down the lid. You have these little togs here. If you have a look, they've got the Somerset Willow logo on them. Super nice. And they go through just like that. And there's, we've got 4 of them down the side. That's the next one. Okay, so there's your rope handle togs. Now, something I want to show you, I'm going to need to turn the coffin now, is the bottom of the coffin. Lots of people always ask me what the bottom of the coffin is because they think it's wicker, but it's not. So bear with me. So this is the underside of the coffin. As you can see, it's completely flat. This is a one piece of ply. The reason why they're flat on the bottom is so that when we go to a crematorium, the coffin can roll along the charge plates to go into the cremation machine. This also provides a lot of stability for burials as well, and you can see the little cutouts just right there. Okay, so there we have our unboxing of our beautiful Somerset Willow coffin, hand grown, handmade here in the UK. If you want to find out more, you can find a link in the description below to our website and of course Somerset Willow as well. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the content, give us a like, a subscribe, and we'll see you all again soon.
Friendly undertaker, let me take you for a spin.